optimizing reflow soldering with nitrogen atmosphere. In modern electronics manufacturing, reflow soldering is a key step in assembling surface mount components onto printed circuit boards. This process takes place inside a reflow oven. The oven features multiple thermal zones: preheat, soak, peak or reflow, and cooling. Each zone plays a critical role in activating flux, melting solder, and creating strong, reliable connections. But at high temperatures, oxygen becomes a problem. It causes oxidation on printed circuit board pads and component leads. This interferes with solder wetting and can compromise joint quality. Introducing nitrogen into the oven changes that. By pushing out oxygen, it reduces oxidation, improves solder flow, cuts down on defects like balling or bridging, and gives a cleaner finish. To keep the oven conditions just right, oxygen sensors monitor levels and hold them below a set limit, usually under 1,000 parts per million. The NitroFas intelligent nitrogen control system takes this control to another level. It doesn't just check the oxygen level, it actively manages the nitrogen flow. That means the highest product quality with the lowest nitrogen use. Reflow soldering with NitroFas brings you precision, reliability, performance, and cost saving. For instance, with the idle mode, where you save gas during production gaps. For more information, contact one of our gas experts.